Hello, my name is Justin Forku, and I'd like to welcome you to 290 Auto Body. We're located here at 73 West Boylston Drive in Worcester, Massachusetts. We're right next door to the Greendale Mall, and we're seconds away from the Mass Lottery. We're exit 1 going north or south off of Route 190. You can also look us up on the web at www.290autobody.com. That's www.290autobody.com. Or you can look us up on Facebook or Twitter. Today I'd like to tell you a little bit about 290 Auto Body and what sets us apart from your average repair facility. Not only do we do auto body, but we also handle all aspects of mechanical repair. That's right, we go from insurance claims to engine and transmission repair. As we say here at 290 Auto Body, we do it better. Here at 290 Auto Body, we offer free estimates. We also offer free check engine light diagnostic. So if you're in the area and you just want to stop in for a quick minute, we can check your vehicle out and get you right back on the road. One of the first stages at 290 Auto Body Inc. is that your vehicle enters our mechanical department. In our mechanical department, your vehicle is fully disassembled and inspected to assure that we can find out everything that happened in your collision. This department is equipped with every piece of equipment to properly take apart your car, truck, or SUV. Here in the mechanical department at 290 Auto Body, not only do we visually inspect the vehicles, but we're also going in with our computers to make sure your vehicle is 100%. After the vehicle is fully inspected in the mechanical department, it is moved to the frame department. Once it is in the frame department, the entire vehicle is measured using a Bluetooth robotic arm. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but really, it's the latest and most accurate way to fix your vehicle. 80% of vehicles in a collision require some type of structural adjustment. We can repair or replace anything from a bumper to an engine. If your vehicle is in need of dent repair and does not need any paint, we can do a paintless dent repair. If the dent on your vehicle is out of range for a paintless dent repair, we'll perform a regular body repair. If we cannot perform a regular body repair, we'll put a new panel on it. Once your vehicle leaves the frame department, it comes over here to the paint department. Every vehicle is sprayed in this heated downdraft curing station. What that allows us to do is be sure every vehicle is cured before it leaves the facility. In the paint shop, your vehicle's color match is acquired by using the best technology possible. We have a system that ensures every color is right all the time. We also have a color photo eye. What does that mean? We can guarantee that every color is 100% accurate. Here at 290 Auto Body, from mechanical to frame to paint, we only use the latest technology to guarantee your repair is 100% every time. Here at 290 Auto Body, throughout the years, we have won multiple awards for body work and paint work, like the awards we won on this Cobra. And if you know anything about custom car shows, these cars are meticulously looked over with a fine-tooth comb for any imperfections. We handle all different aspects of car and truck repair. We specialize in insurance claims, mechanical repairs, body repairs, and paint work. That means we can handle your insurance company and show you the easiest and fastest way to get your vehicle repaired after a collision. We can change your engine or transmission at a low cost. If you need a paint job, we can do it. The reason why we can do all of these things is because we have people specializing in each aspect of vehicle repair. As you pull up to the facility, you may notice that the exterior is undergoing renovations. Due to our great customers who have supported us throughout the years, we are expanding the facility. Due to a high volume of vehicles, we are expanding the facility to better assist the needs of everyone. So that's some of the differences at 290 Auto Body. Whether you're in an accident and you need help with your insurance repair, you need a tow and a good mechanic, or you're just in the mood to get a fresh paint job on your vehicle, we can do it. That's right, we handle insurance claims, general repairs, engines, transmissions, or brakes. We can do it and we do it better. And we offer a certified written warranty on every repair that comes out of 290 Auto Body. Once again, my name is Justin Forku and this is 290 Auto Body. We're down here at 73 West Boylston Drive in Worcester. I appreciate you guys taking the tour with me today of the facility. Hopefully we showed you why we're much different than your average everyday collision repair facility. And remember, if you got a fender bender, we're the #1 contender, 290 Auto Body.